What's up, guys? It's your girl Mariah back with another luxurious hair tutorial. Okay, y'all, today I will be reviewing the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. I have the shampoo. It says it's for dry, dehydrated hair. Pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. It doesn't have any sulfates or silicones or mineral oils in it. So I also have the conditioner and I have the twisting cream. So yeah, I'll be reviewing these 3 items for y'all. My hair is drenching wet right now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do the shampooing on camera. And it smells so good. It smells like some type of fruit, and you can see the consistency is creamy. So I'm just gonna, y'all, right away, it suds up so quick. And I like to make sure I get my edges, because those are the parts that I use the most product on, and my ends. But it reminds me of honey because of how creamy it is. It's creamy and sticky it is. Do y'all see all this sud that's right here? Like, this is only like 1 handful of shampoo on each side. Okay, I will be back once I finish rinsing out my hair, and then I'll be back to put my conditioner. I'm going to put the conditioner in. Okay. This one is more of a, reminds me of like candy. And again, the conditioner is creamy. Very, very creamy. And I love a creamy conditioner. It just does my curls so good. You can tell when a conditioner is good when it's real creamy. Those usually give you the most moisture. Let's see. I'm gonna take my gloves off now. I just do that to protect my nails, because usually it'll get caught or something, and then I'll have to go and get a refill. And I was trying to stay. Oh my gosh, y'all. This conditioner is very moisturizing. Y'all can see my curls kind of trying to come back. My hair is getting a whole lot healthier. I've been making sure I do my hair on a weekly basis, and I've been deep conditioning a lot and doing not protective styles, but styles that are gonna last me a few days. See, like up here you can kind of see my curls trying to come back, but y'all, I just finger detangled off of the conditioner. Like, this is a very moisturizing and has a lot of slip on this line. Okay, I see you. This is more of my kinkier hair up here. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working that conditioner in. Y'all, it absorbed it so quick, like. And y'all see the comb going straight through my hair. But like I said, this conditioner is very moisturizing and it has so much slip. Y'all see the difference? Like up here it's like really curly, and then right here it's like, that's majority of my heat damage and color damage. So yeah, I'm gonna twist this section off. So yeah, I've been really trying to work on getting my hair back healthy. Trying to make sure that I stay up with my trims. It should be about time for me to get another trim. Some people say that getting trims don't help really, but to me, in my opinion, getting my ends trim helped my hair to get healthier. It's number one, it's cutting off the not most of it, but eventually all my heat damage will be gone. That's the number one thing. And number two, you want to stay away from split ends as much as you can, because that'll damage your hair also. Keeping those split ends at the bottom. this is how much hair I lost with this conditioner and shampoo. And usually I get like 10 times more than that, but this time it was less, so that shows you that these products are, like I said, very moisturizing, easy to detangle with these products. I'll have the link for everything down below. But so far I am loving the shampoo and the conditioner. I will buy some more whenever I run out. This is something that I would rebuy. But yeah, I'm just gonna go rinse this out, and then I'll be back to show you how the twisting cream works. So I'm gonna stop her, but she don't really show that she be getting high.